Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Hong Kong Swiss chicken wings lo mein or 瑞士雞翼乾撈麵. So let's start cooking. Now we'll prepare the braising sauce for the chicken. Don't turn on the heat first. Add in 2 stalks of spring onion, tie a knot like this. Put it in. A few pieces of ginger slices. Right? Just put it in. It's fine. 4, 5, 6 pieces, no problem at all. 100 grams of rock sugar. If you do not have rock sugar, you can use brown sugar or white sugar, no problem at all. Put it in. Now it may seem a little bit too much, but for Swiss wing, it's supposed to be both sweet and savoury. 120 milliliters of light soy sauce. Add in also 160 milliliters of dark soy sauce. This is premium dark soy sauce, so it's not really that salty. Finally, add in 400 milliliters of water. Now we'll turn on the heat to medium-low and slowly melt the sugar. Keep stirring this. I'll show you how they look like in a while. When the sauce has come to a boil and the sugar has melted, we'll add in our meat wings. I have with me over here 12 pieces of meat wings. Right, we just put them in carefully. This is a very basic recipe for making Swiss wings. If you want to make soy sauce chicken, I have another recipe which I will leave the link in the description box for you. We need the sauce to be boiling. Very simple dish to make. Once it's boiling vigorously like this, put the lid on, turn off the flame. We will sit the chicken wings inside this sauce for a total of 20 minutes. At the 10 minutes interval, we'll flip it to the other side so that the color will be even. I'll catch you back in a while. 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, smells good. Now we just need to flip this over to the other side. Look at how beautiful this color is. We want the color to be even. When this is done, you have one of the juiciest and most tender chicken that you ever tried. Right? We are using the heat from the sauce to thoroughly cook this up. This will be very, very good. Okay, lid on again for another 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, we'll heat up some water and start to blanch our vegetables as well as our noodles. Now we're going to blanch our vegetables as well as cook our noodles. Once the water is boiling, we'll add in our greens. Add in a bunch of your favorite greens. I'm using chai shim over here. You can use kailan or whatever vegetables you prefer. Right, just let them wilt a little bit. Chai shim cooks pretty fast. The amount that you want depends on how much you want to eat, so no problem. More or less is fine. It's done. We'll remove it from the water. Now I'm using medium heat for this. You can do the same too. Make sure that the water is boiling. Drain this up, put it aside, and we'll cook our noodles now. Now we'll cook our noodles. I'm using wonton noodles over here, approximately 75 grams, one bundle. Remember to loosen them first before you add into the boiling water. Spread them out like this. Move them around. This portion is for one person. Right? Once you have loosened it up already like this, we just cook this for approximately 10-20 seconds depending on the texture that you like. Keep moving them around. Now we just remove them from the hot water. Drain them up a little bit. Prepare some tap water. Just dunk this in the tap water itself. Loosen this up a little bit. This will help to make the noodles a little bit al dente. Right? Just loosen them up a little bit. Wash them up a little bit. Pour off the water. And then add it back to the boiling water. This time around, we only need to cook this for about 5 to 10 seconds. Just to heat up the noodles back again. Okay, this is done. We'll drain this, remove this, put it on our plate, and I'll show you how I plate this up together with the chicken and the sauce. Over the cooked noodles, we'll add in 1.5 scoop of the sauce. If you like it a little bit more savory or sweeter, feel free to add a little bit more. Add in also half a teaspoon of sesame oil for the added fragrance. Mix them up a little bit. This is going to be so good. I'm really excited right now. Once you mix them up well, we'll add in our greens. And finally, add in the wings. Wow, look at how beautiful and inviting this is. Splendid. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Look at the beautiful color. Really, really good. Right. Stir it up a little bit. The noodles with the sauce, this is really nice. Savory, sweet. If you like it a little bit spicy, just add in some chili. We'll try the wings now. Oh. Super flavorful and very, very juicy. Cooked just right. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye.